All right, hi, it's Isle. I'm back with another video of the Landworks grant, and this scene is the same concept as the one by one, is organizing a scene with channels, except this is a 3 by 3, and it's less bare bones and more exploring what you can do with geometry in Decentraland. So this scene has 6 channels, and then the first scene is the same as the one by one grant. It's just this pavilion. Yeah, you go up, you jump, and then it switches to the second scene, or the second channel. Sorry. So this is just an NFT gallery, and it has 20 different slots, which you can showcase different work. And all of these on display here are just placeholders, but they are. Let's see, who is it by? It's by Kjetil Golid. I'm not sure who that is, but there's a bunch of them on OpenSeas, and I thought they looked really cool, and the yellow complements the other colors in this scene. So, like I said, I don't own these. These are just on OpenSeas, and I'm referencing them. But you're welcome to swap out those references and just showcase whatever type of work that you want. And then on the exterior, I just have this design that I designed for a project a while ago that I kind of modified and reused. I just kind of liked how it looked. So it kind of just frames this courtyard and then this space for artwork. So yeah, the next channel um, is this light room right here, and this is a space that's inspired by James Turrell. It's all about framing this view and creating an experience with light and music. So what James Turrell does is he uses architecture and light to create these optical illusions that kind of fool the user into seeing something, or seeing different perspectives than what's there. So that's what I'm kind of trying to recreate here with this scene, and I've just overlaid uh, some music. It's just like a clip of me and some of my buddies jamming out one night. But yeah, if you just watch this, I don't know, the color contrast is really cool and soothing experience. So that's the interior. The exterior is just this monolithic build with some glowing materials that I kind of liked. It kind of, um, I don't know, it's kind of monolithic, but opens up into this light experience on the interior. So that's the second or the third channel. The fourth channel. This is a build inspired by one of my favorite buildings of all time. It's this chapel in Dallas, Texas called Thanksgiving Square. And it's just a really peaceful, beautiful place. And I wanted to kind of recreate that in Decentraland. So it's like this spiral build with this stained glass um, along the spiral and these cool shadows that come through because this glass is a one-sided material. And I've also added this really light audio clip of just some wind. I don't know if you can hear it, but so yeah, this is a cool space. It's all about shadow and geometry. And then this scene right here is about creating a I guess like this calming water environment, this pond environment. So I created like this topographic model as the base, and then I put down a plane shape as the water, and I'm displaying a video file that's set to 50% transparency, and that's kind of creating this water effect. And I'd like to build on this and maybe like add some plants and some structures and just like continue to grow this as like this meditative water scene. Um, and then finally, this last scene is like this arena that I've built, and this is designed to be used in like a game environment. I don't have the skills to like code a sort of PvP like first person shooter or anything like that, but it's all about just like having this arena space where you can potentially like kick balls around, or maybe like play paintball or something like that in the future, if you know how to code it. But this is just kind of like a base scene for something like that. And then it's just the colors as well is something that I like. It's kind of complementary. So you got the yellow of the walls, the red of the terracotta pots, the green of the trees, and then the blue of the sky. It kind of creates this cool color palette, which I thought looked really nice. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. From there, you're back at channel one, which is just the entry pavilion. And yeah, you can just cycle through just like so. So yeah, enjoy. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you can utilize this channel organization to get more out of your Decentraland scene. So yeah, thanks for watching.